Well done on the win, amazing, 987, how do you feel about that?
Good, it's a good run. To perform in this crowd is lovely, even though the rain is heavy, but to perform in this condition and running 98, and I am the only person that run under 10 seconds again in this condition, showing that I have something special coming up for Tokyo.
How are you able to clear your mind, focus, and just focus and run a 9.87 race in these conditions? How do you do that?
It's quite easy because I actually have a coach that does show me all the stuff that has been done in track and field, because he coached the greatest man alive, Usain Bolt, and the greatest athlete and the fastest athlete. So with me being up along his side, teach me a lot of knowledge and to showcase my talent as his knowledge and the field.
And you were talking about Usain Bolt, so now I'll talk about him as well a little bit. So do you have a regular contact with Usain, and how does he inspire you to get better? You
have to understand that his inspiration is the coach, and his coach is my coach. So I get a lot of inspiration from the coach. So I don't really need inspiring from Usain, but I will take it because he's the legend. Why not? He can give me little tips because he is the GOAT in track and field.
And the road to actually go towards winning, the Diamond League in general, how do you manage that? To be able to win the full Diamond League on a season. Are you looking for that? Are you looking to go in that direction or not?
I don't think so. I think Tokyo. This is my last, and then Tokyo.